Welcome to Ngo Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting us. We have now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngo Shop channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Cape Town City 0. My brother, how's it?
Yinda.
Abakoifara ndinne.
Okay, ndibone. Robafa.
Yeah, thanks.
Ebonyobo barimini
I
borinyobo.
love Amanda.
Sharp. Ebonyobo ne.
Yeah.
This Kaizer Chiefs is the number 1 team in Africa, number 2 in the world.
Evan,
Yeah. This team, ne,
why are we saying so?
this team is playing a nice football. We are losing.
Yeah, you are winning.
We are
you
winning.
Throwing.
We are throwing.
The name of football.
Exactly.
You win
You
some,
cannot.
you throw some, you lose some.
So baba Ngobo ne.
Fair enough.
Ngachivenda rikuti vabvuzoro ye team ndiyo team khulwane nga manda kaje apa South Africa.
Africa Japan.
Bafuna. This is the biggest team.
Yeah.
That's why navakwinda vavona vakwinda ke vala navakwinda ngapa.
Yeah.
Vadhoro ye team ndi khulwane. Ungasibe navakwinda vavili team.
When now we are in the middle.
Ndibonyi.
Who are you? What's your name?
Ndinemora.
Mora.
Nemaora.
Oh, what was Zimbabwe?
Ndibva mulimo opengwa.
Okay, but what's your take on the game tonight?
Ufathi unwahasho unothaveni yasho. Okay, yeah. Ari dichezo ne. Team khulwane.
Uzojena.
Vokwinda. Nabona vajena vasongosha vamula muhanga vazidiva khomulamo. Ndojiya vokwinda. Ngandava the Chiefs.
Oh, yeah. That's
Chiefs ndefuna.
Your girlfriend or your wife?
Wife, a girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
Girlfriend.
Yeah.
Not at this stage, not a girlfriend.
I get to call a girlfriend before you have a wife.
Never.
You can't just have a wife before you have a girlfriend.
I have a wife.
Because your wife was your girlfriend before.
Not that one.
Who was the man of the match tonight?
You see, that guy, Lilepo. I can go for Lilepo.
Yeah.
Check all the balls. He was playing the ball. That is a good player. You understand?
Yeah.
He cannot lose the ball. He pass, he check the space. If he has to shoot, he can shoot. You see, he shoot and he cross the bar.
Exactly. Yeah.
That boy is a very good player.
He's a good sign here.
Good one. That one.
Beautiful. And then like going forward, what do you think your team must do, to get more goals? Because we can see that you are struggling to get more goals. Against Magesi, you scored one only. Tonight.
I cannot say we are struggling. We are not struggling. We just have a lucky. Sometimes you must have lucky. So if you cannot have lucky, you cannot score. Lucky goes hand in hand with whatever you are doing inside the game.
Exactly.
You understand?
Yeah.
So if you can score the goals, everything will go well. There's nothing wrong with Kaizer Chiefs. Except the department of Vuma. I'm not happy.
But I mean, that's clean sheet.
Today he saved the
big time. Yeah, you must
but
say
I'm
well
only
done
impressed
to him.
with that one.
Yeah.
There's one goal that he saved.
Yeah. As long as
that
it's
one
0-0,
exactly.
he didn't concede.
I'm happy.
You must just give him
with
his
that
flowers.
one. But can we please give Peterson a chance? Peterson. Yeah.
Don't say
Peterson made a lot of mistakes during Sundowns games.
Yeah.
You understand? Sundowns we lost against Peterson, but
Yeah.
it was something.
Okay, no, thank you so much. They can hear you. Navi uko ni fa. Omfanga manda.
I married to this family.